Hello guys, how are you? I'm really fine. And in today's video on Pretty Princess Polish on my channel, I'm just going to share my two recent nail mails that I got back to back in 2 days. So the first nail mail which I got was from my favorite company, One Pretty Store. So this one was a surprise mail for me because I remember it was supposed to come in the month of March, I guess, but due to lockdown and everything, I was unable to get my hands on this parcel, and I was really worried, and I was really worried about the parcel, and I really forgot that how many items I will be getting or what will I be getting. So it's really a surprise mail for me, guys. So I'll be sharing that mail with you guys in this video. And the second mail which I got 1 or 2 days back is from Spectre Cosmetics. So it is a new brand which has been launched in India. I guess it was launched a few months ago, and I will be sharing the list of the products which I bought from them. All the products which I bought from them look really promising. I bought 4 nail polishes from their existing collection, and I got 4 nail polishes from their newly launched collection, which is a Galaxy collection. So that Galaxy collection includes 4 nail polishes, as far as I know. So 2 are normal nail polishes, but not so normal ones. I'll be showing those nail polishes to you, and the other 2 nail polishes are top coats. So first off, I'll be sharing my Born Pretty stores products which I got for review, and those are the products which you will be seeing on my channel next. I'll be working on those products and different designs. I really have so many ideas on how I will be using those products, and uh, how many designs I'll be creating using those. So just keep an eye over my channel, and yeah, I'm just showing you those products so you don't feel bad. Well, so this is the first product which I got for review, and this is Nicole Diary 17. It has some amazing engravings. Those engravings are floral patterns. I just love floral patterns and the way they look. So yeah, I'm really excited to review this. So Nicole Diary 157, which has beautiful fish nail designs, fish stencils. Nicole Diary 152, and it has some abstract tiger nail designs. So I really don't have an idea about those things, the designs which I will be using in my nail art. So I can't say anything about this, but I love these. So I really love this nail foil and the way it looks. I love how it's subtle pink and golden shade is there. Isn't it beautiful? Well, these are the Spectre nail polishes which I got from their existing collection. So the first nail polish that I have here with me is Drama Mama 02. I personally love the shade and how beautiful it looks. I just couldn't resist myself from buying this shade. It's really beautiful. The second shade which I got from them is So Woke 11. A beautiful pastel green shade. Well, it does look different because of my camera and lighting, but it is a pastel green shade, and I kind of love pastels as well, so I just wanted to give it a try. The next product which I have from Specta is the white nail polish. Well, the name of this nail polish is Cool Cat 07. This is a beautiful white nail polish. I have already swatched this nail polish on my thumbnail. It really looks gorgeous. See, and the difference, and yeah, so you just, I guess you want to know what is the difference between this nail polish and the normal white nail polishes which we have. So while swatching, I just got to know that it's not a pure white nail polish. Instead, it is a yellowish white, or you can say off-white nail polish, which kind of suits my skin better than a regular white nail polish. So I just wanted to give it a try, and I'll be sharing full swatch of this nail polish super soon. The third nail polish which I got from them is a gorgeous pink nail polish, baby pink nail polish. The name of this nail polish is Poster Girl 09. See how gorgeous it is. So Specta nail polishes are vegan and cruelty free. So that's what they have mentioned on their bottle. And I love their packaging as well. They really look amazing. Well, I got these 4 nail polishes from Specta as well. These 4 are the part of their recently launched collection, Galaxy collection. So I'll just be showing you the bottles of these nail polishes properly. So the name of this nail polish is Andromeda 16. This is one of a kind flaky top coat, or flaky nail polish, which you can say. I am a sucker for these nail polishes because they really look magical. See the color shift and how magical it looks. It just gives me mermaid or opal feels because it really looks amazing. So you can use it on your own, like without using it over any other color. You can use few coats of this nail polish on your nails alone for a different effect, and you can use it over different nail polishes just to change the texture and look of the nail polish. So this is just magic in a nail bottle. I was really excited for this because this is for the very first time that I've seen an Indian company come up with a different product. Well, yeah, I should mention one more company as well. I just love Laroy nail polishes. Laroy has been my favorite, and I just love the fact that the woman behind this nail polish, Sudeshna, she has created so amazing nail polishes. She just launched the very first holographic nail polishes in India. So kudos to her brand as well. You should check that brand as well. So enough playing with this nail polish. The second topper which I have for you guys is Angel Dust 15. Another beautiful nail polish. Yes, I haven't seen this kind of nail polish. And see, it contains some glitters which shift their colors from blue to green. So this is how they look. And just like the previous nail polish, it can be used on its own, or it can be applied over any other color to change the effect of the nail polish. I'm really waiting. I'm really excited to try both the nail polishes out. The third nail polish which I have is Specta Nebula 13, a beautiful metallic red nail polish with micro glitters. So I'll be sharing the review and swatch of this nail polish as well. Well, if you want, you can see the color shift of this nail polish. This is how it looks. Well, the fourth and final nail polish from Specta is Supernova 14, another gorgeous nail polish. You can see the color of this nail polish and the micro glitters which are present in this nail polish. I really hope that you guys love this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And do let me know in the comment section below that do you want to see these kind of videos or not, because it was really difficult to film this one. I've never filmed a video in which I'm showing off my face and along with the voiceover show. Yeah, so it was really difficult for me to film this video. I really hope that you all like this video. Please do let me know in the comment section below, guys, and subscribe to my channel for more.